Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to allow message previews on Telegram Web using your PC following the latest update. It's a simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll have message previews showing exactly the way you want them to. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web. If you haven't logged in yet, just enter your phone number or scan the QR code from your phone's Telegram app to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your chats displayed on the left side of the screen. Now, take a look at the top left corner where you'll find three small dots. Click on those dots to open the main menu. From there, select Settings. This is where you can adjust your preferences and change how Telegram behaves on your PC. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section and click on it. This is the area that controls how alerts and message previews appear when you receive new messages. Next, find the option called Message Preview. This setting determines whether or not you can see part of a message's content when a notification pops up. To allow message previews, make sure the checkbox next to Message Preview is activated. If it's unchecked, simply click it once to turn it on. And that's it. You've successfully enabled message previews on Telegram Web. From now on, whenever someone messages you, you'll see a short preview right within your notification, helping you decide whether you need to respond immediately or can wait a bit. This small but useful feature adds a lot of convenience, especially if you use Telegram on your PC for work or study. You can glance at incoming messages without fully opening a chat, saving both time and focus.